Today, guys, we are going to be creating a bridal brooch bouquet. I'm showing you here a design I created for my very own wedding, and I love the design of it. However, for this bride, I want to change the handle a little bit. Mine is substantially large and it was quite heavy and cumbersome, so I want to create one that is a little bit easier to carry but still has that sophisticated glam look. So to do that, we're going to use these beautiful foam roses that have a very realistic look to them. We're also going to be using this gold diamond wrap as well as some gold brooches from Totally Dazzle. Along with that, you're going to use a styrofoam ball. I have here a 5 and a 3-inch. I'm going to use the 5 along with a PVC pipe. I have it cut to 6 inches just to give me enough to style and make it comfortable. Also, I'm using my crafting trilogy, you guys, cutting shears as well as scissors and hot glue gun. So now let's begin. First thing we're going to do is prepare the handle. I'm showing you here how easy it is to remove the backing of the brooches with just a simple snip of the clasp with the wire cutters. And now we're going to go in and just find a position for the handle, and I'm going to score that PVC pipe just inside as you see me doing here, and it's going to create just a nice firm insert for that handle. Once I have found a comfortable placing for it, I just simply remove the foam from the inside, creating a nice hole, and I'm going to apply glue liberally inside, and this is what is going to hold the handle in place. Pressing down firmly, allowing it to dry, I'm now going to begin styling my handle or designing my handle with this beautiful gold diamond wrap. Now, for the remainder of the video, I'm going to allow it to play the music. As it is self-explanatory, you just watch what I'm doing and follow the instructions there. So I hope that you enjoy, find it inspirational, and get some ideas to style up your next bridal bouquet or a bridal bouquet for a lovely bride. Now, if you see what you like and you like what you see, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Become a part of the TMB family where we create and grow together. I would love to have you. I'm active on other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, you guys have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.